Pick up anything on a store shelf these days, and odds are it was made in China. And Chinese imports aren't always safe. You've heard about dangerous lead found in Chinese-made toys. Well, in Ohio recently, a dentist found lead in one of his patients' crowns. Turns out the crown was made in China. So are the crowns in your mouth safe? We get some answers in Medical Matters. Capital Dental Designs supplies crowns and other implants to more than a dozen dentists in Montgomery, and owners insist their products are 100% made in the USA.
We get all our materials from companies that are FDA approved.
But there are other labs out there that buy crowns overseas because they're cheaper. And as we all know, cheaper doesn't always mean better.
In China, there is no restrictions, no standards set, and that's where the concern is.
You don't know how much is made here, how much is made, overseas, because some of it's outsourced.
Dr. Bruce Sansom says it's obvious lead can be dangerous to your health. But there's no research indicating the effects of lead in a crown. It just hasn't been a problem until now.
Does the lead break down and then, quote unquote, is put into your system, or is it bound up where it never breaks down? That's one thing the ADA and the FDA really don't know.
There are also no laws requiring dental labs to disclose the source of their materials, which is why the American Dental Association encourages patients to ask. Ask your dentist, even the lab itself.
There are doctors and there are labs that are outsourcing.
Dr. Sansom says he knows his crowns are safe, but when it comes to your health, you can never be too careful. And keep in mind, this problem is not believed to be widespread. There's only been one lead crown discovered in the U.S. The American Dental Association says about 15 to 20% of dental implants are manufactured overseas.